Welcome back to TechGetter Official. Today we'll learn how to enable dark mode in Google Docs in PC, step by step. First, open Google Chrome. Now click on the 9-dot grid icon at the top right corner. This is the Google Apps menu. Scroll down and click on Docs to open Google Docs. Next, open a new Chrome tab and in the address bar, type Chrome//flags. Press Enter. This will take you to the Chrome Experiments page. In the search bar at the top of this page, type dark. Now you'll see a setting that says Auto Dark Mode for Web Contents. Click on the drop-down next to it, which is set to default by default. Change it to Enabled. Once you've enabled it, Chrome will ask you to relaunch. Click on Relaunch to restart the browser and apply changes. Now open Google Docs again, and you'll see it has switched to dark mode. If at any time you want to switch back to light mode, just set it back to default. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.